At different moments in history, human innovation promised progress, convenience, and power. But some of these breakthroughs carried hidden consequences that only revealed themselves years later. This is the story of inventions that changed the world and the damage they left behind. Inflatable concrete structures, building with air. At first glance, the idea sounds impossible, constructing buildings using nothing but air and fabric. Yet inflatable concrete structures have proven that solid architecture doesn't always begin with steel or bricks. The process starts with a massive inflatable form shaped like a dome or shelter, which is filled with air to create the structure's outline. Once inflated, workers layer reinforcement materials over the surface before spraying concrete across the entire form. As the concrete hardens, the air-filled mold becomes unnecessary and is removed, leaving behind a self-supporting structure. These buildings are lightweight, incredibly strong, and can be constructed in a fraction of the time of traditional methods. This technique has been used for emergency shelters, storage facilities, and even permanent housing, showing how speed and simplicity can redefine modern construction. Self-healing concrete, structures that repair themselves. Cracks in concrete have always been a silent enemy of infrastructure, slowly weakening bridges, tunnels, and buildings. Self-healing concrete aims to solve this age-old problem by allowing structures to repair themselves without human intervention. The material contains special bacteria or chemical capsules embedded within the concrete mix. When cracks form and moisture enters, these bacteria activate and produce limestone, naturally sealing the damage. This process restores structural integrity and prevents further deterioration. By reducing maintenance costs and extending the lifespan of buildings, self-healing concrete represents a shift towards smarter, longer-lasting infrastructure. 3D printed buildings, construction at the push of a button. 3D printing has moved far beyond plastic prototypes and entered the world of full-scale construction. Entire homes and buildings are now being printed layer by layer using robotic arms and specialized concrete mixtures. This method dramatically reduces material waste, labor costs, and construction time. What once took months can now be completed in days, sometimes even hours. Designs that were previously too complex or expensive to build are now achievable with precision and efficiency. As housing shortages grow worldwide, 3D printed construction is being viewed as a potential solution for affordable, rapid, and customizable housing. Transparent wood. Stronger than glass, lighter than steel. Wood has been used in construction for thousands of years, but scientists have transformed it into something entirely unexpected: transparent wood. By removing lignin, the component that gives wood its color, and replacing it with a clear polymer, engineers created a material that allows light to pass through while remaining structurally strong. Transparent wood offers better insulation than glass and is significantly more impact-resistant. It can be used for windows, walls, and even solar panel applications where light transmission is essential. This innovation combines sustainability with performance, proving that natural materials still have untapped potential in modern engineering. Earthquake-resistant floating foundations. In earthquake-prone regions, traditional foundations often fail when the ground begins to move. Floating foundation systems approach this problem differently by allowing buildings to move with the earth rather than resist it. These foundations use flexible bearings, shock absorbers, or sliding systems that isolate the structure from seismic activity. When an earthquake strikes, the building sways gently while the energy is absorbed and dissipated. This technique has already saved countless lives and structures, demonstrating how understanding natural forces can lead to safer, smarter design. Carbon fiber reinforced construction. Strength without the weight. Steel has long been the backbone of modern construction, but carbon fiber is quietly challenging that role. Originally developed for aerospace and motorsports, carbon fiber reinforced materials are now being used to strengthen buildings and bridges without adding massive weight. Unlike steel, carbon fiber does not corrode, making it ideal for reinforcing aging infrastructure. Thin carbon fiber sheets or rods can be wrapped around columns and beams, dramatically increasing their load capacity and earthquake resistance. This lightweight strength allows engineers to extend the life of structures while reducing material fatigue, redefining how durability is achieved in construction. Modular skyscrapers, buildings assembled like Lego. Instead of building everything on site, modular construction shifts most of the work into factories. Entire rooms, hallways, and structural sections are prefabricated, transported, and stacked together to form complete buildings. This method reduces construction time, minimizes labor risks, and ensures higher quality control. Some skyscrapers using modular techniques have gone from foundation to completion in record-breaking timelines. By treating buildings as assembled systems rather than handcrafted projects, modular construction is reshaping how cities grow vertically. Living buildings, architecture that breathes. Some buildings are no longer just structures, they are ecosystems. Living buildings integrate plants directly into their design, using green walls, rooftop forests, and bioreactive surfaces to improve air quality and regulate temperature. These structures absorb carbon dioxide, reduce urban heat, and manage rainwater naturally. In some designs, algae-filled panels even generate energy while shading interiors from excess sunlight. Living architecture blurs the line between nature and engineering, offering a future where buildings actively support the environment rather than harm it. Ultra-high-performance concrete, redefining durability. Traditional concrete has limitations, especially when exposed to extreme stress or harsh environments. Ultra-high-performance concrete, or UHPC, addresses these weaknesses by combining fine powders, steel fibers, and advanced chemical additives. The result is a material with exceptional compressive strength, crack resistance, and longevity. Structures built with UHPC can be thinner, lighter, and far more durable than conventional concrete designs. This breakthrough allows engineers to push boundaries in bridge spans, high-rise construction, and architectural design. Inflatable concrete structures, building with air. At first glance, the idea sounds impossible, constructing buildings using nothing but air and fabric. Yet inflatable concrete structures have proven that solid architecture doesn't always begin with steel or bricks. The process starts with a massive inflatable form shaped like a dome or shelter, which is filled with air to create the structure's outline. Once inflated, workers layer reinforcement materials over the surface before spraying concrete across the entire form. As the concrete hardens, the air-filled mold becomes unnecessary and is removed, leaving behind a self-supporting structure. These buildings are lightweight, incredibly strong, and can be constructed in a fraction of the time of traditional methods. This technique has been used for emergency shelters, storage facilities, and even permanent housing, showing how speed and simplicity can redefine modern construction. These construction techniques reveal how far engineering has evolved beyond traditional methods. By rethinking materials, design, and the way structures interact with their environment, builders are reshaping what modern cities can become. What once seemed impossible is now laying the foundation for the future.